Hi, my brilliant ones. Today we are going to read Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. And this is written by Tad Bentley. And I have permission to read this by Harper Collins Publishing. Okay? Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backwards from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So, I need you to scare me. But I really don't like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Oh, is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my... Oh! Well, will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me. So now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hold on a second. My hiccups! They're gone. Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate now with a nice, spicy taco. So, I love that book. Our experiment today is going to be 2 things. First of all, you're going to watch a quick video on why we get hiccups, because it's kind of weird. Like when we look at the sun, sometimes it makes us sneeze, and when we get hiccups, it has to do with how our breathing is off, and our diaphragm and all of that stuff, which it changed the breathing. It changed the way that that he could swallow things. And so there's lots of remedies. There's lots of fun things. We do a spoonful of I don't know what peanut butter is. That sounds kind of gross, doesn't it? We do a spoonful of peanut butter here. And the science behind that is when you put the peanut butter in your mouth, you do that with the peanut butter. Well, what it does is you're not taking the normal rhythm of your breath, supposedly. And I really like peanut butter, and so that really helps too. But you're not taking the normal rhythm of your breath that you normally would when you do the peanut butter, because you're doing this and you're kind of holding your breath. So it goes back to that same principle of when we hold our breath. People have drank upside down with a cup. Some people think getting scared. There's lots of other things out there. So if you have some ideas, shoot them my way. I'd love to hear them. I used to get hiccups all the time. We have a new puppy, and every night the puppy gets hiccups about 3 times in the night, and he'll be laying up against me, and all of a sudden I feel because he's got the hiccups. So you're going to watch the video on hiccups, and then our experiment is going to be penguins and whales and sea lions and seals and all of those things. They're covered in what's called blubber, and we're going to make our hand be like blubber, and we're going to do some experiments in really cold water and see how blubber and what blubber is and how it protects our hands. So the experiment today, I also will be doing like the other ones I did with you this week. So I miss you. I love you. I'll see you soon. Ah!